You're throwing them in? Stand a little closer, Boo. Don't throw them quite that far. Whoops. Didn't quite make it. That's okay. What happened when it hit the ground? Did it get broken? It's okay. Whoa. Whoa. There you go. Is that all the rocks? Okay. Now there's one more. Oops. Nice bank shot. Wait, what are you, baby? What are you?
I'm a mutter.
You're a mutter? And you throw it all over the place so it can be... So it can be what? Nice and neat. Okay. To make it nice and neat. Thick and nice and neat. Nice and neat. Throw it all over the place. Because you're a mutter. A mutter? Okay. Throw it all over the place. On our house? You throw it on our house? What do you think you're going to do when we're all done doing this game? No, don't. Whoa! You okay? Don't throw it on the house, really. No, because the house is already dirty enough. Don't throw mud on the house. This is a mud game. What do you think you're going to do when we're all done with the mud game? Nice and neat? And thick. Nice and neat and thick. It is thick. Mix it all up. Now what? Now the mud lives what?
I'll tell you what.
Now the mud does what?
I will tell you a mud story.
Okay, tell me a mud story.
Once upon a time, I'll tell you one story on the grass stage.
Okay, on the grass stage. Okay, once upon a time.
There was a grass stage, and there was a mud on it. And this person got, and she got mud all over it.
Yeah. A person got in there and got mud all over her shoes, and then what? And then she lived happily ever after in the mud? That's quite a story. That's a great story. Thanks for sharing that story with me.
I said it with my mouth because we don't have the book.
You said it with your mouth because we don't have the book? That's right. You had to say it with your mouth. Do we have a book of that story? No? No? Did you make up that story all by yourself? You talked it? That's a great story.
Once upon a time, there was a young girl. I'll tell you one.
A what? A garden? A garden story. Okay, once upon a time there was a young girl. Can you wipe your nose with your arm, with your sleeve like that? Atta girl. Once upon a time...
In the Google garden. And it, out there, and she got dirty.
Little girl got in it and she got dirty, and what else happened? Oh! And her mama got dirty too.
Yeah.
No, don't get her mama dirty. A little girl got in the garden and she got dirty, and then what happened?
Then she got mama dirty.
Then she got her mama dirty, and then what happened? And then what happened?
And then what happened?
I don't know. You tell me what happened after she got her mama dirty.
What happened?
I don't know, baby. It's not my story. It's your story. It's my story. And then they went inside and took a bath? They lived happily ever after? And cleanly ever after? Yeah? That's the end of that book. That's a great story, too. What do you see up there, honey? What you see, baby? Probably some what? Probably some trees are up high? Yeah. Okay, thanks for the stories, Ruth. Look at that. Do you think you might want to go in and take a bath? How would you feel about going in and taking a bath? You're all done? Okay. We should take your shoes off before you go in the house. Don't go in the house yet. We're going to take your muddy shoes off.